If CapCut is giving you a login error, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix, and in most cases it has nothing to do with your account being broken. The issue often happens when CapCut's server rejects your login token because your computer clock is slightly out of sync. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the CapCut login error step by step. Clear the cache, and then sign in again using the QR code method with the CapCut mobile app. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to fix the time settings on your Windows PC, because even a small time mismatch can cause CapCut login problems. On your taskbar, right-click the time in the bottom right corner and choose Adjust Date and Time. Once the date and time settings open, look for Set Time Automatically. Turn it off, wait about 5 seconds, and then turn it back on again. This forces Windows to resync the clock with the correct time server. After that, make sure your time zone is also correct for your location. If the time zone is wrong, CapCut may still fail to verify your login properly. So, double-check that the selected time zone matches where you are, then close the settings window. This small step alone fixes the CapCut error login issue for a lot of users. Next, we're going to completely close CapCut. This is important because if CapCut is still running in the background, it may keep using old login data or corrupted session files. To do this, close the app normally first, then press Ctrl, Shift, and S to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look for anything related to CapCut. If you see CapCut or any background process still running, click it and choose End Task. Make sure CapCut is fully closed before moving to the next step. Now we need to clear CapCut's cache files. These files can sometimes get corrupted and trigger sign-in errors. Press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type %local app data%. Then press Enter. This will open your local app data folder, where CapCut stores its user data. Inside that folder, go to CapCut, then User Data, then Cache. Once you open the cache folder, delete everything inside it. You do not need to delete the whole CapCut folder, just clear the contents of the cache folder. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the delete. This removes temporary files that may be blocking the login process. After deleting the cache, restart CapCut. Give it a moment to reload fresh files, and then try signing in again. At this point, the login error should be much more likely to go away because you've fixed the clock issue and cleared the damaged cache data. Now for the final step, and this is one of the easiest methods to get back into your account. Try signing in using the QR code with the CapCut mobile app. Open CapCut on your phone and use the QR code login option if it appears. Then scan the QR code shown on your PC screen. This method is often more reliable than typing your password again, especially if the desktop app was stuck on a token or session problem. If the QR code login works, you should be signed in successfully on your computer within a few moments. Once you're in, take a quick look around and make sure everything is syncing properly. If you still see an error, repeat the time sync step one more time and make sure CapCut is fully closed before trying again. And that's it. You've now fixed the CapCut login error by correcting your PC clock, clearing the CapCut cache, and signing in with the QR code method. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy app troubleshooting tips, PC fixes, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.